Hey guys, once again, bringing you something else that I got from, of course, Amazon. And this video is pretty much leaned towards both sexes. And the reason why I say that is because it's not just the guys who cut their hair now, it's the women too. But yeah, so I got this hair trimmer, and it's the set is for men, of course, and it has all the sizes, and it's for beard and all that good stuff, but I haven't tried it out. I'm just trying to open it up. Got it yesterday, so I decided to do a quick video today, letting you guys see what it's about. It's pretty much inexpensive. I think it was about $17 if I'm not mistaken, and it's pretty small. And they said it has the precision ground blades that stay sharp longer. It's washable and easy to operate. It's all there, working in full charge. You gotta charge it. Has its own USB cable and so forth. Does not come with a case. And this brand, I'm not even going to try to mention a name, but I will put the description down in the box below. And the reason why I got this is because I actually shaved the side of my head on both sides. I'm just trying to trying something different, So got myself a shaver because my fiance doesn't like me to use his. You know how these men are at times. Some of them are more diva than women. So eventually I got my own. And it comes with its own guard for the blade. It's lightweight. They said it's silent. I can't remember this one if you can use it on kids also, but I think it is. And silent really is. So you got your port to charge it up, USB cable, and let's see if I could slide that back in. Travel size. I think I might go ahead and get the case. I saw the case separately sold. I wasn't even thinking about it because I just wanted to get one for me. I haven't tried it out yet to see how it cuts on my hair, but just so you guys can have an idea what it looks like and what it sounds like, because they claim that it's not as loud, but I pretty much think that's loud. It comes with this little booklet, and these are things that I buy for my use. It's not for likes, it's not for views, it's just so some of you out there could have a closer look into what these things look like and how they pretty much work, because sometimes you buy something or you see it online and it's not what they say it is. Brushes here, clean the blades. Okay, the oil is here. You have the cord and the blades. I didn't expect the blades to be plastic. They said it's washable, and I guess when they say washable, I don't know if they meant the plastic blades or they meant this blade here is washable. It does have screws to take it out, but it did show that from on the website, it showed that I can wash the blade. So it also says that it is waterproof. I can't tell, I don't know, haven't tried it yet. Would I do a follow-up video? I don't even think I might, because to be honest, sometimes I doesn't even want to put these video out, but I do it because it gives you guys some insight of what is what. So this is pretty much what it looks like. It's pretty cool that you don't have to screw these on. It's just a put on and snap on. And I've never used a shaver on my own, so I don't actually know what teeth is for what size cut. I have yet to explore all of this, but this is to show you guys how many different sizes you're getting. This is 5 millimeters, this is 2, this is 3. If any barbers out there know better, kudos to you. 1 millimeter, 4 millimeters. So I guess that's the level on the height of the hair, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these blades. And the fact that it's plastic, I don't know how that may be. If because plastics tends to break easily, but it shouldn't break with me. I'm very careful when it comes to things that I use. So let me not ramble on. This is going to be pretty short, just to show you guys, you know, how it is. It's pretty much as the guard snaps on. Snap it on. My fiance is the one who usually, you know, cuts the sides of my hair, but since he's been so diva-ish, I usually take a scissors and do it on my own, but the faster way would be this. So I got me one of these. It says it's waterproof. I like the fact that it's not heavy and it's light. I'm gonna try it to see which height works for me, best for me. But the fact that it said that I could wash the blades and it was waterproof, there's the reason why I actually did get it, because I wanted something that I could actually, you know, wash the hair off the blades. Because that's the one thing my fiance was always fussing about. Oh, your hair sweat, my blades, you're gonna rust my blades. I never know somebody could fuss so damn much more than a damn woman. Sometimes these men are so damn fussy for no reason. But to each his own, what can I say? So, got my own and it's waterproof, whatever. So, yeah. So I'll put a link below. You guys can check it out. Hopefully I may be able to give you guys an update. As I said, I don't really get these things for free. Something I bought for myself because I shaved the side of my head, and I'm wondering if I should even try this out at this point. Maybe. Let's see. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and try it out. So I see the light is blinking. Don't know if it's because it's low. It might be. I didn't actually charge it up. I pretty much took it out of the box and went ahead and started using it just to see. So far it doesn't bite the skin when I'm cutting. You know, some of you who have used these things would not understand what I mean when I say it doesn't bite the skin. It doesn't pinch when you cut. So it's pretty nice so far. I actually like it. It really doesn't bite my skin. I tried doing the edges. It's doing pretty neat. So far so good. I haven't tried the combs yet, and yes, it's dead. So I charged it up a little bit, and yes, so while charging it up I actually went back on the website, Amazon, to see exactly. So the price is actually $8.99, which is not bad for this. And this, from using the older, you know, electric shavers that is much bigger, I must say that to compare, I thought it actually was as noisy, but this is actually 50 bp less than noise than the other one, which is pretty loud. So that's actually a plus. Yeah, I had to correct myself with that one. I'm like, wait a minute, does this sound the same? So the stainless steel blade is actually washable, and you just remove it by the 2 screws there. You can wash it and put it, pretty much oil it. And I'm a newbie to these machines. I usually use my scissors and do my stuff, but yeah, make sure you switch it off. You switch it off and you really clean that out, that extra hair pile up in there. All the pros who are familiar with this, hey, kudos to you. Not everybody is advanced in this stuff. We all learn something new each day. Guys, a peek. Let's see if I can brush some of the snowflakes off. Which ain't actually making it any better, to be honest. Sometimes people act a certain way and you wonder, you know, it's not dandruff, it's just my scalp is so dry that it flakes. And that's all it is. It's just your scalp being dry. Just like if your hands are dry or your feet is dry, it starts to peel or crack. It's the same thing with your hair. Your hair and everything operates in its own accord. So I'll show you guys one side. Hope I could do this without camera making a fuss, so you guys can see. This is the right side of my head, left side. So this is a little longer, not much that I like. Usually I put the scissors to this side and I cut it down. But with a 1mm, I was able to get it to not too bald, but spot, which is good. This is what I wanted. So I'm not upset for $8.99 at Amazon. It's not expensive, and it is a beard shaver also and a hair shaver. So if you're looking for something that is low budgeted, you can travel with this. It's not heavy. Charge it up, it's in your hands. This is a good buy. Can't go wrong with this. I would give this a 5-star. So far, nothing, no upsets with this. My size is, as I say, 1mm. I'm gonna do the other side. If you guys like this, hey, go ahead, buy it, try it out. Can't go wrong. Could always send it back if you don't want to. But it says lightweight. It's not heavy. Doesn't vibrate. Doesn't bite the skin. It cuts really well. Marks for me. It marked well. I wouldn't say professional. I'm not a professional, so I can't speak on that level and say it can work for professional cutting, although it says so on the website. I can't say it. I'm not a professional, so I wouldn't know what a professional cut should look like. So just saying. But at the end of the day, it did what I was expecting it to do, and it gave me the cut I wanted without actually getting a bald kind of cut, you know, down to the skin. So yeah, I like this. No money spent, no regrets so far. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you again when I buy something else. No rush. You know how that goes.